Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Determine whether the paint is water-based or oil-based because the removal method differs. Start by scraping off any excess with a spoon or dull knife. This prevents it from embedding further. Once done, blot the area gently with a paper towel. Do not rub, so you lift fresh paint without spreading. If it's latex, prepare cold water and dish soap. If oil-based, get a solvent like turpentine safe or mineral spirits and ventilate the room. You're in the messy middle now. For latex paint, soak the spot in cold water with dish soap for 10 to 15 minutes, then agitate gently to loosen pigment. For oil-based paint, first test your solvent on an inconspicuous seam to check color fastness, and then dab the stain with a cloth. Work from the outside in to avoid a halo. Once the paint softens, use an old toothbrush or soft brush to push detergent into fibers and lift particles away from the stain. Finish by thoroughly rinsing the treated area until water runs clear, then air dry to inspect the outcome. Heat can set any remaining stain, so avoid the dryer. Next, launder the garment as the care label directs, using a heavy-duty detergent. Make sure to check the stain before drying. If a faint residue remains, repeat the solvent or pretreatment steps or apply a targeted commercial stain remover. If nothing works, consider professional cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.